Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learnings. Today our topic is Maths 1B important and basic formulas. Okay. First we have distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Our first topic. Okay, important formula. Okay, so here we take 2 points P and Q. P point has x1 and y1, and we take Q point x2 comma y2. This is the 2 points. Now distance formula is PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is the distance formula. When P point is x1 y1 from the origin, so O we take O point 0 comma 0. So here OP point distance is formula is x1 whole square plus y1 whole square. Okay, now distance between 2 points of we take, this is the first one considered as second one, and third one's formula is 2 points. When point take A, here the x1 comma 0 and B point x2 comma 0. So AB is equal to under root, substituting this we get x1 minus x2 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. So here is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole square. Finally we consider as mod x1 minus x2. Okay, this is the third formula. When now fourth one we take, so now we take A. Here we have x1 and x2, so we now to 0 comma y1, and B point we take 0 comma y2. So similarly we say AB is equal to under root y1 minus y2. That's it. So here next point, midpoint of the line segment of AB. Okay, so here formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint. The point, next one, the point of trisections. Trisection, the points which divide in the line segment to the ratio of 1:2 or 2:1. So the line segment divided into two parts, 1:2 or 2:1. So here are called trisection. Point of trisection. So next one is area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Okay, so the area of triangle with the vertices at A point, B point, C point. So here A point we take x1 y1, and B point we take x2 y2, and C point we take x3 y3. Okay, now the formula is delta is equal to 1 by 2 mod x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 mod. So we take as consider as 1 by 2 of sigma x1 of y2 minus y3. This is the first formula. We take second formula. The triangle, we take OAB of the triangle vertices 0 is O 0 comma 0 point. This is O point, and we take A point x1 y1 and B point x2 y2. So the formula is we have to take delta is equal to 1 by 2 mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1 mod. So this is the formula when a point take as 0 comma 0 in the given 3 points. If we take 3 points as this is the formula, when we take 1 point is 0 comma 0, we take this formula. Okay, so here next point is concurrent lines. Concurrent lines and point of concurrency. So 3 or more straight lines are said to be concurrent. Now with 3 lines, straight lines said to be concurrent if one point take a point. This is a straight lines. It is called a point of concurrency. And now next point is median centroid. Medians centroid. Now the midpoint we already know, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2. This is only 3 points we take in these 3 points. The points we take A x1 y1, take B point x2 y2, and C point x3 y3. So here the midpoint formula is, okay, point formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the midpoints of when 3 points are given. Okay, and the last one, the most important points. Okay, section formula. Okay, here we take 2 points. P divides, suppose P divides A point x1 y1 and x2, take B point x2 y2 in the ratio of m is to n. So we get P is equal to, we get mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is the formula, section formula. This is the external and internal. One positive and one negative. If external line, if in internal, we get minus symbol. Simply mx2 minus we get, okay. mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. This is the another one, okay. So one is the positive and then negative one. So these are the most important formulas, okay. And I tell you, we also have formulas, but I tell you in the chapters when say do the videos. Okay, thank you.